What is Genmoji on iPhone on iOS 18 and how to create a Genmoji? Let's see in detail here in this video. Genmoji is one of the Apple Intelligence features that lets you create custom emojis for any occasion on your device. You can create unique Genmojis on an iPhone by bringing up the AI prompt and keyboard to type a simple description. To use Genmoji and other Apple Intelligence features, you need an iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16 Pro Maxor and iPad Mac with an M-series chipset. Apple's iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia bring an array of impressive features and quality-of-life improvements. Amidst a ton of Apple Intelligence features, Apple introduced Genmoji on iPhones with the recently released iOS 18.2 developer beta. You must have heard the name by now. In case you are wondering what is the iOS 18 Genmoji feature and how to create a Genmoji on an iPhone, we've got you covered. Here you go. What is Genmoji on iPhone? Genmoji, Generative Plus Emoji, is one of the Apple Intelligence features that takes emojis to a whole new level. It lets you create custom emojis for any occasion on your device using Apple Intelligence. You can create unique Genmojis on an iPhone by bringing up the AI prompt and keyboard to type a simple description like T-Rex wearing a tutu on a surfboard or Smiley relaxing wearing cucumbers. As you provide the description, you'll see a new Genmoji appears for you along with more options to choose from. You can also use photos to create a Genmoji of friends and family. Want to turn your mom into a superhero? You now can. This brand new AI feature on iPhone gives users the freedom to describe how they actually feel. Just like an emoji, you can add a Genmoji to your messages, share it as a sticker, or use it as a tapback reaction in the Messages app. How to create Genmoji on iPhone in iOS 18.2. With iOS 18.2 beta, Apple has rolled out the Genmoji Apple Intelligence feature along with other AI features like Image Playground and ChatGPT integration with Siri. If you are excited about Genmoji, here's how you can create a Genmoji on iPhone, provided you have an Apple Intelligence supported device. Open the Messages app and tap on a chat. Tap on the emoji button on the keyboard and then tap on the glowing emoji icon on the top right corner of the keyboard layout. This will open the Genmoji splash screen if you are using it for the first time. Now, you can enter the prompt to create a Genmoji on your iPhone. For example, here, I have created a Genmoji for a cat playing guitar. The Apple Intelligence Genmoji feature will create multiple variations for you to use. You can swipe left on the created Genmojis to view more options. Once you have decided which Genmoji you want to use in the chat, tap on the Add button and it will be added to the chat box. You can also long press on the Genmoji to copy, share, or save the Genmoji to stickers.